Welcome to Acharya Shri Vijay Vallabh Primary School, Standard 4th, English. The topic is Recess. Recess is the name of a poem. Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise. When the recess bell rings, children, we are very excited. And so, as soon as the recess bell rings, all the girls and boys, they make a lot of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air groups of children walk about. See, during the recess the children make groups and then they start walking here and there. Some are just whispering with each other, talking, some are laughing, some are moving here and there, and in this way the children start moving about here and there. Now we all plan to play a game. A game begins, but no one wins. So we all plan, the small children, that we will play some game. Here the children are planning to play the cricket game. But then before the game ends, you know what happens? No one wins. The game begins. We start playing the game. Some play cricket, some play hide and seek, some play ball, some play anything other games. But before the game is over, you know what happens? Although they play with might and main, for long before the game is over, means all are playing the game with full enthusiasm. The girls play with their friends, the boys play with their friends. The boys are playing cricket, some boys are playing hide and seek, some are playing dodgeball, some are playing volleyball. All these games are going on and on during the recess. But then, and all are playing with full might and main, but no one is winning the game. Why? Because before their game is over, the bell rings, and then you have to go back to your class to attend the next period. So this way the recess time gets over very soon, and then we feel, oh, when the next recess bell will ring and when we will go out and play. So this is the excitement of recess for every one of us, and we all enjoy the recess period. It is very short. Maybe it might be of 10 minutes or of 20 minutes. The long recess is for 15 to 20 minutes and the short recess is for 10 minutes. But that is a very exciting moment in our life, children. All the children love recess, and this poem is based on recess. Now let us revise the whole poem at a glance. Poem number 3, Recess. Girls and boys make lots of noise and run and jump and laugh and shout, while here and there with quiet air groups of children walk about. A game begins, but no one wins, although they play with might and main. For long before the game is over, the bell rings out for school again. Now let's see the meanings of the words. Recess. Write the meanings of the words. Listen to these words and the meanings and write it in your notebook. Recess. Recess means the break between school classes. Then with quiet air means looking quiet. With might and main means with all their strength. And over means over. Now let us look at the question answers. These question answers, children, you all are going to read and then write it in your CW book. During the recess, what do the children in this poem do? Children in this poem run, jump, laugh, shout, walk and play games in recess. Why does no one win? No one wins because before the game is over, the bell rings and children have to go back to their classes. What name or names are used for recess in your school? In our school, for recess, we call it as lunch break or interval. How do you spend your recess? Describe it in 2 or 3 lines. In the recess, first we wash our hands, we open our tiffin, We share it with our friends and enjoy our breakfast. We form groups and play games. You can describe this in your own words, children. This answer, not necessary that you may write this only answer, but you can use your own words and you can answer it in your own words. All right. So thank you, children.